Good morning students. So today we are going to start third class term 1 English. We have seen the lesson the new rule and we will see the objective now. So our first bit is reorder the words to make the sentences. So they have given the sentences. We have to make them correctly. So the first one, rises east the sun in the in. So this is not a correct form. So we have to make the correct form. The sun rises in the east. So next one, our India is country. So this is not a correct order. We have to make them in a correct order. India is our country. So likewise we have to answer all the bits. So we must complete our work on time. So fourth one, celebrate the December on 25th of we Christmas. So this is not a correct form. So we have to write as we celebrate Christmas on the 25th of December. Again fifth one, Adi saw elephants when he went on a safari. So sixth one, drank bottle the Kisha from water. Kisha drank water from the bottle. Next bit, write the questions from these answers. So they have given us answers. So we have to make them questions. Yes, we won the match. The question form is, did you win the match? Second one, the train leaves in 5 minutes. When does the train leave? This is a question form. I will not be able to come for the party today. The question form is, will you come for the party today? No pony does not like watching old films. Does pony like watching old films? So next one, we can leave as soon as we finish work. The question form is, when can we leave? So again, the next bit is write negative answers to these questions. So they have given the questions, we have to write negative forms. No, I don't like ice creams. This is a negative form. So second one, is your brother playing? No, my brother is not playing. So in the question, so second one is your brother playing? No, my brother is not playing. In the negative sentences, we will use not, N-O-T, not. Next one, is your bicycle new? No, my bicycle is not new. Are they walking to school? No, they are not walking to school. Is he crying? No, he is not crying. So again, write positive sentences or negative sentences. So in the negative sentences, we are using N-O-T, not. Jafar does not like to waste food. So here they are using N-O-T, not. So this is a negative sentence. Malini likes to read before going to bed. So this is a positive sentences. Here positive means they are showing the ability and the possibility. Newton plays for the school football team. It is a positive sentences. Here they are showing the possibility or ability of Newton. Andrew is my partner for the project. This is a positive sentence. Your computer is not faster than mine. It is a negative sentence. Today is not a holiday. It is also a negative sentence because we are using N-O-T, not. So our next bit is write a or an before these words. So an igloo, a star. So we have seen that when we will use the a or an in the previous bits. So now we have to fill a or an. So an ostrich, an owl, an umbrella, a uniform, a ear, a cousin, an aeroplane, a scooter. Next bit, choose the correct article from the brackets, fill in the blanks. So they have given two articles, a or an, and we have to choose them correctly and we have to fill in the blanks. Dash ant is a tiny insect. An ant is a tiny insect. Easter is celebrated once a year. I have an orange, an apple and a watermelon. How many legs does an octopus have? I made a model of the Taj Mahal for the school exhibition. I hope you have understood this objective bit. So we have to choose the correct verbs in the and fill in the blanks. So we have seen that verb means it shows an action. So we have to now fill the blanks. They have given some words in the box. A leopard can climb up a tree. A marathon runner can run continuously for hours. Here climbing, running and sleeping, they are all verbs and they are showing the action. Babies sleep in cradles. We eat lunch at noon. We can see through a glass door. The children in the playground could hear the bell ring. So these are the verb actions. Next bit, choose the correct verbs from the brackets, fill in the blanks. So they have given verbs in the brackets. We have to choose them correctly. Sheila swam across the river. Ria played with her toy car all day yesterday. So verb means showing the action and the action done in previous day. The clown made everyone laugh. Sohan heard the telephone ring when he was in the kitchen. Father drove us to school. So next bit, use the correct forms of the verbs, fill in the blanks. Raja and Geeta water the plants every morning. Sheila planted some seedlings in her garden last week. So they have given the plant. So we have to write the verb form, write in the verb form. So plant, planted. Asif always keeps his desk clean. I filled all the bottles with the water yesterday. So he done the action yesterday. So here the verb form is filled. I came to school yesterday. We played well in the cricket match yesterday. So I hope you have understood this lesson. So today your homework is you have to write the correct 1, 2, 3. These 3 bits you have to write. Thank you.